Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to perform an arbitrage on the Fantom Opera or FTM chain. Now where I expect you to be at the start of this video is you will have already connected your Metamask to Fantom Opera, as you can see that I have, and as well you have funded it with some FTM, therefore, because we're going to use that FTM to provide value to a coiner token that we're going to create here shortly. So we have a fresh workspace. Now we're going to create a new execute contract. We'll name this my arbitrage.sol. Enter. Now we're going to get the source code, and all links will be in the video description, as well as the source code. And we have to change our compiler version. You see Pragma Solidity 0.5.16. We got to change the compiler to match that. And everything should compile. Yes, it does. We got the green check right there. So we drop down to the next tab, and we need to connect our MetaMask to Remix so we can run smart contracts. So I'm choosing that account, and you can see I am now connected. And now we're going to hit this drop down for extra contracts and scroll to the bottom. You see initiate flash loans. And so now we're going to create our own coin right now that we are going to. So how this actually works is we are creating a coin that we are going to provide value to. Then we are going to use flash loans from Cream Finance, and we're going to use multiplier finances automation to use flash loans from Cream Finance to trade our coin against Uniswap. And basically this trading happens very, very rapidly, and that inflates the coin's value, and that's where the arbitrage opportunity actually takes place, as you will see here shortly. So name this my token, TOK, and all caps for that. At least I think that's the all caps. I'm doing it anyways. Loan amount of 6,000. First two variables, you can make pretty much whatever you want. The loan amount does matter, so match what I'm doing. Now we have a coin on chain, and right here is the address for the coin. For this example, I'm going to do about $200. I think I have about 132 FTM. Yeah, I'll do about $200 worth for this example. So we're going to provide $200 of value to our created coin. So FTM right now is 1.87. So we're going to do 200 divided by 1.87. It's 107 coins, let's call it. So we are going to get this address and send 107 coins to it. Wait for this contract to go through. Still pending. Okay, it went through. Now we are going to run Flash Loan. And once I hit Flash Loan, I'm going to hit the drop down again so that you can see. It usually takes about 30 seconds-ish for the profits from the arbitrage to land back in our wallet. Up to a minute and a half. I've seen 90 seconds before, but usually it's about 15 to 30 seconds. So I'm gonna run Flash Loan, and I'm gonna hit the drop down, and we're gonna watch the money come in real time, y'all, and amazes me every time still. So Flash Loan, confirm. Okay. Usually takes 15 seconds to 45 seconds, like I said. Should be soon. Right there. Right there, guys. 650. So I went about 130 FTM to 653 FTM. So what's that price? At 1.87. Amazes me every time, y'all. So 1.87 times 653. A little over $1,200. So I went 130 to about $1,200 this time. This one was good, but I mean, it's always in the money. It's always in the money, like, well. But wish you guys the best. If you like stuff like this, like and subscribe. And you guys have an awesome day. And stack that crypto.